Francis Crystal Star with iChakras Zen Center, and today we're talking about affirmations. This affirmation is all about your throat chakra. So you're going to want to do this affirmation when you're looking for a boost of power and inspiration in your words. If you're getting ready for a job interview or a public speech, or maybe if you're a therapist and you're trying to talk to people one-on-one, or even if you're about to have a really difficult conversation with a friend, that's when you're going to want to say these words out loud with your palms open or with the mudra for the throat chakra, which is just like this. Repeat each line after me. My words are like magic. I create my reality with my words. I speak my inner truth. I speak openly and honestly. My words change the world. My words affect people. My words affect me. My words are magic. Repeat these affirmations daily if necessary, and let me know in the comments how you feel after repeating them.